Moms, are you sick and tired of clocking into that 9 to 5 job that's keeping you away from your family? Just imagine a life where you can live on your terms, earn a sustainable income, and get to spend quality time with your family. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family, because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. I had mom guilt because I felt like I had these expensive hobbies. It was costing me more money trying to start and build businesses online, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, you name it. I've been there, done that. There was always something missing. I had this shiny object syndrome, always looking for a better way. Okay. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you're wondering if you can quit that 9 to 5, escape that rat race, and actually get the financial freedom that you and your family deserve, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. Because the reality is that 9 to 5 grind, it just pays to this. Every time your paycheck comes, you're back to square one, right? You start all over. That's the way it's designed, right? The more time you spend working, the less time you get to spend, quality time you get to spend with your family. I used to get home just tired, wrecked, and didn't have any energy left for the people that matter the most in my life. Okay. So you're not alone. This is a decision that working moms have to make, right? Provide for your family, or get to spend time with them, but not be able to provide for them. So what if you had access to a simple step-by-step blueprint that walks you through exactly how to build a sustainable digital business for explosive growth in 2025 using a done-for-you automated marketing system, so you no longer have to build your businesses bothering family and friends or sliding into DMs of strangers. I have access to a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, which was designed by a grandmother of 6 children. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following, to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. And now, she's gone past her 4 million mark in just over 2 years. She's helped over 16 South Africans become millionaires in South African rands, and over 100 members of our community have earned 6 figures. Okay, so now I'm learning how to market, how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. And what I love about this program is, even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners who have used the blueprint to earn 6 and 7 figures, right? So it's absolutely amazing. If you want to earn additional income without spending more time away from your family, the blueprint is actually is tailored towards busy moms, and it allows you to structure your business around your family, right? So you can fill in those gaps, those night nap times when the kids are napping, or when you're in a queue somewhere, you're waiting for them in the car. You can actually work on building your business. You can work on what we call income producing activity. The program is designed to help you master a 2-hour workday, right? Which works around your family. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days live interactive guide that's going to walk you through exactly how the system works. But before I finish off here, let me just share with you some of the wins we have in our community and give you an idea of what's actually possible with this system. So this is our community here. And Deborah, just 12 hours ago, she made $900. New customer, Christy, 6 days ago, $100. Let me see. Gratitude. So we have 23,000 pages of wins. And Yvonne, 6 hours ago, made $1,800 in 1 hour live session. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to Yvonne. Let me see. Kish made $100. James made $100 in whatever currency, in dollars in their currency. Let me see. Stephanie, 8 days ago, made $1,800 in 24 hours. She got two $900 sales. Belinda, 6 days ago, $900 came in while learning and earning, baby. Rosaline, 3 days ago, made $6,300 in 12 days. So we have a community here of like-minded people. Evan has fifth straight $900 legacy builder sell. Change his audience, and this is what a simple automated online system does, right? So we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that you can get access to that gives you an idea of how this works. If you have any questions, respond to my email. I'm going to deliver the blueprint to your email. Respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I want to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever.